Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to design flowers in Illustrator. First pick Ellipse tool and draw like this. Change fill to white color and stroke to black. Again, draw an ellipse. Right-click, arrange, send to back. Now drag line segment tool. Holding Shift key, draw a line like this. Pick Rotate to, pressing Alt-click the end point of the line. Change angle value to -60 and click Copy. Now select all and go to Object, Lock, Selection. Pick Pen tool and draw like this. Now pick Anchor Point tool and pressing Alt key and drag these points like I am doing. Now grab Direct Selection tool and move these points like this. Go to Object, select Unlock All. Now select these two lines and press Delete key. Select this shape and pick Rotate tool. Pressing Alt key, click middle of the circle. Angle value to -60 and click Copy. Now press Ctrl+D to take some duplicates. Select this flower petal. Now pick Gradient tool. Go to Window, Gradient. Click Gradient bar. Now draw a line like this. Double-click these points and change colors like this. Now select the big circle and change the color to orange. Select the small circle and change the color to pink. Now select all and right-click, select Group. Pick Pen tool. Now I am drawing the leaf like this. Pick Direct Selection tool and move the points and handles. Now pick Pen tool and draw like this. Grab Selection tool. Select this shape and click Gradient bar. Change the colors. Change stroke weight to 3. Now I am picking curvature tool and drawing like this. Pick ellipse tool and draw like this. Change fill color to red. Now pick curvature tool and draw like this. I am taking a copy of this leaf. I am placing it here. Now I am taking some copies from it by holding Alt key. Select these 4 leaves and go to Object, Transform, Reflect. Mark horizontal and click Copy. Now place these leaves like this. Select all and group it. Now grab spiral tool and click on the drawing area. Click OK. Grab selection tool and scale the spiral. Now place it here. Right-click Arrange, Send to Back. Now I am taking some copies and place them like this. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.